Hi everyone, welcome to Elite Professional. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete blanks in Excel. So this will be useful for you whenever you are working with Excel and then you have this blank. You have these blanks and then you have to go one after the other to delete these blanks, things like this. Delete, then you move to the next one, you delete these blanks, you delete the next one, so that will be time consuming for you. So this solution will help you to speed up your analysis and then to clean your data easily and faster. So this is what I'm going to do. Right, so select all your data from the beginning down to the very last one, right? And this is done. Well, I will have done Control A, but Control A will not select everything because we have some blanks. All right, so we have this. Okay, so this is what we need to do. I want you to move to. I want you to press Control G, right? But if you can't press Control G, I want you to move to Editing and then click on Select and Find, right? Then go to right, and then click on Special, right? So then click on Blanks, right? Then click OK. Right, so all the blanks have been selected, right? So you see blanks in dark gray, right? So once this is done, okay, so I want you to go to your home tab, right? And go to cells. So under this cells, I want you to click on this, right? You will see that the blanks that we have, they are in rows, right? So I'm going to click delete sheet rows, right? So this means I want to delete blanks that are rows. If they are in columns, then I will have deleted blanks that are in columns, right? So here I'm deleting blanks in rows, right? So this is done, right? So I have my data in one piece without having to go through that process, right? Um, all right, so that is faster, and that is how you can clean your data in Excel. I mean.